Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 3x squared dx. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we divide both sides by negative number 3. Next, this one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. Now we simplify u and u. And this one we have negative 2 over 3u. And I will put about c. About u. That is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.